Welcome to Carroll Stream Motor Company's video tutorial series right here on YouTube. If you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more videos. Today we are going to walk you through the process of installing the air filter that came with your brand new Kawasaki FH721V. When your engine arrives, the air filter canister will be included in the box, but not attached. Also in the box you'll find a plastic bag with an air filter cap, 2 hose clamps, and 2 bolts. To begin, loosen the 2 10mm bolts on the fuel pump. Do not remove them. The frame for the filter canister will need to slide behind it. Next, use a 12mm socket to loosen the bolt next to the overhead valve on the other side of the engine. Your air filter canister will attach at both of these points, and using the 2 included bolts from the box, you'll further secure it to the engine here and here. Now grab the air filter and one of those hose clamps from the plastic bag. Place the clamp around the hose coming out of the canister and finger tighten it just enough so it won't fall off. Coming from above, make sure the frame of the air filter is sliding into place behind the 2 loosened bolts. Once it's lined up, finger tighten all the bolts back into place, including the 2 additional bolts from your plastic bag. With that done, secure the hose over the air return, use the hose clamp to keep it in place, and tighten the clamp with a flathead screwdriver. Now that everything is lined up and ready, use your 10mm and 12mm sockets to tighten all of the bolts into final position. Last but not least, finger tighten that last hose clamp around the attachment point of the air filter cap. Pop it on the canister and use a flathead screwdriver to make it a solid connection. Congratulations, you've successfully assembled your Kawasaki FH721V air filter from Carroll Stream Motor Company. We hope this video helped you through the process, and we want to see you back here for all of your engine needs. If you'd like to talk to one of our knowledgeable professionals right now, give us a call at 888-208-2088. For full stock listings and prices, visit carrollstream.com.